Good morning, y'all. Welcome to LV Slot Squad. Happy Monday. It is the 22nd day of the challenge. This is a continuation from yesterday. We'd be breaking even yesterday at 10. I got extra 50 cents from the daily that they give us. All right, here we go, y'all. I'm going to start out with 30 cents. All right. Pretty good start, y'all. Pretty good. Let's step away from Diamond's power for right now. Let us do Tiger Gems. Will Tiger Gems give us a grand bonus? Bonus. Well, soft bet, y'all. Not doing anything, I don't think. Let's see Wolf Strike and win. Let's just see. Let's just try. We'll just play around here and see. And see what's going on. Oh, snaps. No. I was trying to activate the sound. There it is. That's a good start, though. That's a good start. Come on, baby. You got it. Definitely has great sound effects. This is it though, just great sound effects. It ain't doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Let's just. We're just gonna jump around, y'all. Jump around. Jump up, and get down. The collect looks pretty full. Rich diamonds. You're gonna jump around. That's what we're doing today. You know what? Let's get to the Get Rush. You know, it's Valentine's Day about to come up here soon. Let's see this game. Let's see Diamond Explosion, Sweet Love. Can you give us a Diamond Explosion? With this, you need to get the 3 kisses for a bonus. Can we get the 3 kisses? Alright. Come on, baby. Yay! Okay, there we go. Come on, baby, fill it up. A full screen should be 400 or a chance for 400. That's what you get. Come on, baby. Right here, right here, right here, right here. This, and this right here. Okay, fill it up. I just need 2 more. Fill those 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me the major. Give me the major. We're back. An okay bonus for 50 cents. I think it's gonna do it again. Come on. Ooh, just fill it up, baby. Fill it up for 400. Oh, wow. Okay. Maybe give us a 400, y'all. Oh, this is dangerous. I only got 2 more left. Oh, snaps. I think this is very dangerous. Oh, holy cow. I think I got the 400. Oh, yeah, I got a chance for 400. Whoa. Holy cow. This is definitely a gift. Come on, 100, 100. Grand. What's the major? $25. Okay. Dang, I saw $100 and 400. Y'all played me, y'all. Y'all played me. Y'all played me, y'all. Y'all played me. Oh man, what the fun, dog? They played me. They played me. You saw that, right? They played me. They couldn't even make me the $100. It's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. I will not go below. I won't go below 30. You owe me a bigger bonus than this is. Well, I guess that's how it is. At least we got a gift card. We got a gift card. Alright, let's... Oh, what the fuck, dude? They wrong for that. They wrong. Oh, man, dude. Let's go to another hold and spin. We're not going below 30. This is definitely a multiply by 3. So we'll at least get a Starbucks gift card, man. People playing around, dude. Okay, it's not doing anything. It's not. It's not. It is not. Let's go over here to my little piggies. Great round though. Great round. Oh man, that's a $25 major. What? I know it'll give me a lot of spins. My coin volcano. I thought that was an automatic grand, man. We had to spin this freaking wheel. That was automatic 400, y'all. Oh man, this thing ain't doing nothing right now. Oy. Yes. Okay. Man, I shouldn't have pressed it, but I'm glad I did though. This is a bonus. Come on. We need the gold to come down. We need six of those coins. Come on, baby. We need a great hit. Three more spins. Come on, gold. We need the gold to come down. We'll do some backup spins. We're back again to diamond gold. What am I feeling right now? This is a pretty good, I like this one too. We're back again at diamond gold, y'all. I can't make up my mind. Apparently not right now. Not right now. Come on, baby. What's going on? What's taking long? like I promised, we will not go anything beyond $30. Beyond it, we just, once we're up, we gotta just go ahead and cash it out and not get greedy, you know. Like that's a good time. Nope, nothing there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and redeem a gift card. Redeem as a gift card. And well, how much is this? $30. $30. Yeah, we'll do a Starbucks gift card. See, and I'm going to confirm. All right. Yeah, I've done a lot of I've done a lot of Starbucks gift cards. All right, and that's how you do it, y'all. Have a great one.